Long ago, in a small village, there lived a boy named Anuj. He loved to hunt birds and animals. Every day, he would roam around with his net, looking for creatures to catch. One morning, he saw a beautiful sparrow sitting on a branch. "Such a pretty bird," Anuj said. "I will definitely catch her today." The sparrow laughed. "You may try to catch animals, but you can never catch me. I am too quick for you." Anuj ran behind the sparrow all through the village. After chasing for a long time, he finally managed to trap her in his net. The sparrow pleaded, "Please let me go. My family must be waiting for me. I don't want to die here." But Anuj did not listen. He took her home. Soon after, he also caught a little rabbit. "Now I will have a feast," Anuj shouted proudly. But something magical happened. The small rabbit suddenly turned into a huge, powerful rabbit. With glowing eyes, it grabbed Anuj tightly in its strong paws. Anuj trembled with fear. "Please forgive me. I will never harm you again." The giant rabbit said, "You never showed mercy to innocent animals. Why should I show mercy to you?" Just then, Anuj's grandfather arrived. Seeing his grandson in danger, he begged, "Great Rabbit, please forgive the boy. He is young and foolish. Spare him, and I promise he will never hurt another animal." Anuj also cried, "Yes, I swear. From today, I will never harm or trouble any creature again." The giant rabbit listened. After a long silence, he nodded. But instead of freeing them, he took both Anuj and his grandfather into a magical world. There, hundreds of huge, powerful rabbits were already waiting. The rabbits placed Anuj and his grandfather inside a large cage. "Now you will know how it feels to be trapped, just like the animals you once hunted," said the giant rabbit. And there, Anuj learned a lesson he would never forget. Those who hurt the innocent will one day face the same fate.